My name is Julie McGilvrey, and I work at Guadalupe Mountains National Park in far West Texas. My area of expertise is cultural landscapes, historic preservation, and archaeology. And at the park where I work, I manage all the cultural resources programs, so I get to really combine all of those on historic architecture projects, cultural landscapes projects, archaeological research, collections, and ethnography. I came to present on work I'm doing at the Manhattan Project National Historical Park. And I'm working on research with the University of Oregon and Robert Melnick, and we're co-presenting. And so I came to really talk about that project and also promote the concept of cultural landscapes and how that works with historic preservation needs. I learned a lot about goggles and glass and airplanes that I knew nothing about, and I saw a fabulous presentation on that today. Just the history of plastics and polymers and how all of that is being preserved by the Smithsonian. And yeah, it was fascinating because I am interested, even though I work on big landscape issues and archaeology, I am interested in sort of 20th century objects and how we're learning more about those. And that goes to building materials too, of course. This is not my first NCPTT symposium. My first was in Santa Fe in 2016, and I was presenting on design studios and their importance in park service preservation. I think NCPTT is doing great with their symposium series. Since this is my second one, every time I go, I am really exposed to a wide range of professionals, even though we have a specific topic that we're brought together for and what we're learning about, but it seems like I really get exposed to things that I never would have thought of previously. Well, a topic that I would suggest for the next or years out NCPTT symposiums would be focused on how we deal with cultural and natural integration and resource management, and how those things help each other, how we can learn from each other, how we can study different types of data from the qualitative to the quantitative, and how we can really push forward for integrated resource management.